Modifying the week schedule. In this tutorial, you will learn how to assign a day type for each day of the week. You can assign any day of the week as a work day, a home day, or an away day. By default, Mondays to Fridays are set as work days, and Saturday and Sunday are set as home days. If these day type settings suit your schedule, you can skip to the next tutorial. To modify the week schedule, first access the Programming menu by holding down the Select button until the Programming menu appears on the screen. Press the up or down buttons until Week Schedule is flashing. Press the Select button to confirm the selection. Press the up or down buttons until the day that you wish to modify is flashing. For example, if you wish to modify the day type for Friday, press the up or down buttons until Friday is flashing along the top of the screen. Press the Select button to confirm the selection. Press the up or down buttons until the desired day type is flashing. Press the Select button to confirm the selection. Repeat these steps to modify the day type for other days of the week. To exit to the Programming menu, press and hold the Select button. To exit to the main screen, press and hold the Select button.